This unboxing today is of a cooler for an Intel, right? For a build that I have. It is the Cool Master. And I paid about, they had one for 20 bucks. You know, we try to do the content that's a bang for your buck. And they had another one for $22 with addressable RGB. I like to have the option of either or. So with that being said, let's get to the unboxing of this little cooler with a fan. It's awesome. And then I'm going to put it on the PC build and tell you how it works. Welcome to Tech for Rec. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, share, tell a friend, where you receive all the tips on how to build your own computer build and start your own platforms, and how to grow online, how to download Windows, how to fix corrupted files. We do it all here on Tech for Rec. Why am I not getting a good angle of this box? But we're just going to do it. The important thing is that you see the unboxing and you see what's in it. So here we go, guys. A little water. We just need this opener. Oh, we got it right here. The little fiberglass razor. Let's check out what's in here. Oh, by the way, I got a capture card, which is I got the budget friendly, super budget friendly, to see if it works. And what everyone has been saying, that it's pretty good in 720. And if you're gaming and streaming on 2 PCs or however you want to do it, 2 monitors, right? However, whatever works for you, right? This $12 video capture instead of the Elgato, you have options. You don't gotta break the bank. Something looks opened in there. Well, so let's check it out. 28. So this is not the unboxing of this. I'm gonna make a separate video, but this is it right here. The capture device. Let me know if you would like to see the video of this, if it worked. If you're looking for a capture card, this is the $12.99 one. They have it now with a string, like with a USB connected, so it hangs in the back of your computer on the side of your laptop. I was gonna get that one, but for some reason I felt like I was getting robbed, like it was bootleg. So this is the addressable RGB A71c support socket. Of course, is AM4. So we won't be needing this mother load anymore. Wow, it's nice and little. It's beautiful. Look at it, guys. You see it there? It's awesome. So now we want to see it inside. I like the way they are, nice and little, compact. I like to take things out perfect, but I know you guys want me to hurry up and get to the money already. Like, whoa, Mr. Tech for Rec, what's going on, buddy? Just open the damn thing, right? Doesn't work like that, guy. We're gonna get to it right now. You know what it is that I save my boxes to all my stuff, so I take good care of the way I open. Jesus, there we go. So let's take this tape all the way off. We're not gonna be needing that. And I put the old one either back in the box or vice versa. You want to save your boxes if you're trying to do like a tech channel, what have you. Just so like from time to time, you know how all the tech dudes do, they put in the back of their stand, their boxes, and all the stuff they put together. And then you put your goodies in these nice little boxes. There we go. Wow, beautiful. So we got a manual. It looks like it's in Chinese, respectfully. Yeah, definitely. It's in Chinese. I'm pretty sure there's a translation somewhere. I don't know if you was able to see that because the light's so bright. But it's got some English words in there. But who uses that? Maybe you should, though. This is the mount. Oh, my God. Looks so beautiful. Boop. Comes with this. Pretty sturdy. Oh my God, look at it in the box. Oh my God. Ooh. So this is like probably not the one that you want, but it's the one that you need, right? For 22 bucks, you can't complain, bro. My brother. There you go. Beautiful. Nice and clean. It has its own which I touched it. It has its own thermal paste. Maybe you want to leave that thermal paste. I changed a thermal paste on my graphics card, and it actually gets hotter. Leave in the comments if you know why that's happening. I used MX4, but that's the one I had. So there you have it. Cool Master, the fan cooler, is on Amazon. I'm gonna try to put the links in the description, and I'll be letting you guys know if the link is there or is not, if I was able to find it and put it. But you already know, you can look it up on Amazon. Uh, Cool Master, the A71c support socket 4 for Intel. I have an AMD one, and I was trying to connect it and see how can I put it together, because this is the older one that I cleaned out and made brand new compared to the way it was, the way I got it from someone else for certain things that I did, and also that they looked out hard with it, but it was missing a piece, and that one piece is a game changer. This is the one that I actually had in the build, and I cleaned it out, took it all apart, and I was gonna put it back. This goes there, and then the fan goes something like this, and the block goes like this, right? The radiator, whatever you want to call it, and there's a fan that goes on the side of it, and this is sticking out like that, bulky in the front of your PC. I kind of sort of don't like that look. I wanted something like shiny. I like to have the option of turning on lights or putting them on and off. I usually don't buy Cool Master. Actually, I usually buy Corsair, but I wanted to make this build kind of like a bang for your buck. It has a 2060 or 2070 um um RTX Super Mini. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Give me 1 second. This fan is going in this build. So guys, before I forget, it comes with this little hub. This is the RGB hub for this. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna use this because I have a hub in that build for these fans that are like a budget-friendly fans. These fans that you see on this build right here, these are Corsair QLs. There's a whole different build. This is my personal. I built this myself. It has a RX MSI 580. You already know how that goes. So it's Radiant software and all that. But this is the Cool Master hub for it. It has a actually for the RGB. It has a 3-pin connector, addressable RGB, and then this other thing. It looks like it's Molex, but it's of course it's not. It just got the little. Well, then again, it's this is a 3-pin where it has like two and one missing, one blank. That blank one, I don't know, it is super blank, and then it has another pin. That's weird. But then again, I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Two and then one. I get it. So that actually, this hub goes somewhere in your PC. You could put this anywhere. It don't come with 3M tape on it or nothing, so I guess they figured you could throw it in there. But I'm gonna put some 3M tape and stick it somewhere. But you can't put this in the back actually because it won't probably close. It's probably too thick. So you gotta find a spot for this. Keep in mind this is a little thick on the side. You see it? So maybe you want to throw it in the bottom. I don't know, but let me show you the PC. I just wanted to let you guys know that it comes with, you know, everything it comes with, and it comes with the cables that go to that. And this looks like it's solder. Well, anyway, you know, this goes connected to your power supply. Comes with all the cables that you need to the hub and so forth. And you know how you connected, the instructions in there. Let me know if you want to see a video on when I'm connecting it, which I probably will do that because I showed when I was doing that build. I actually have the video and I got to put it up once I'm done. But check it out. Now, there's a lot of other things that I wanted to do to this build, but keep in mind, it has 500 watts of a power supply. It's only plus. I usually buy gold, but keep in mind, this is a build that I took apart and rebuilt, and a lot of the parts were used by someone else for like 90 days or something like that. He said he had it for, but he had it destroyed because he was upgrading and he had it sitting there, and I bring it back to life. So I got pictures of before and after. A lot of these fans are coming up out of here, except those RGB ones probably in the front. This fan is up out of here. I have a Corsair, the ones that came with the radiator with my Elite Corsair radiator. I took them off and I wanted all the fans in that other build that I have there to be actually QLs, 120 addressable RGB. So when I took the ones from the radiator off, I still have those. So those will be placed here and somewhere else. I have like three or four of them, something like that. So just because I had them from the radiator and other builds, and but I may put in there this stick of RAM is definitely out of there. That's only 4 gigs. I have like a 32 gig, 16 gig Corsair and a PNY or something like that. Pretty good. I have like another 16 gigs of that. So RAM is never short, but that 4 gig RAM that's in there, I actually put it in there just to make sure that it was running and everything was good in it. I'm gonna install a Wi-Fi card, but for right now I use Ethernet. Uh, Upload speeds of 940 something. Download and upload 900 and something. I have gigabit. Connection, unlimited is the best that you can get. Maybe it's overkill, but I like overkill. Once you're streaming, I don't think you want to look like fading or cutting off or any bad connections. At a certain point, when you've been doing this for a while, you don't want to look too crazy. So yeah, I'm not into mustard cables, and this came with a lot of mustard colored cables. But again, I wasn't trying to spend multi thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars on this build. I just wanted to clean it out, make it look brand new, and see if some of the components were actually working, and then see what I do from there and getting another case. Or I was thinking of painting this case. I like to do it yourself projects. It keeps me entertained. It keeps me out of trouble in the streets of New York, Brooklyn, and just to show other people that they can do it too, and you can find something awesome and to occupy your time. And at the same token, if you can make $1 from your streams and doing what you're doing, I think that's a genius thing. So let's get to it. I'm gonna show you guys how when I put it in, how it looks respectfully, right? And what's going on with this card. I was actually gonna switch cards. This one, put it in my other one, and switch the 580 and put it in here. But I think the 580 looks too humongous. But then again, who cares, right? As long as it's playing. So let's check out this bad boy. I cleaned this. I got a video I'm posting. I took the power supply apart. I cleaned the fans, everything. I made everything brand new. The before and after pictures is crazy. You're not gonna believe how this was and how it looks brand new right now. So we're gonna put that Cool Master in there, and in the next video I'll show you guys how I plug in a Wi-Fi adapter into this mini board here. It has an Intel 1700K. It's pretty good. It's i7. Yeah, i7. So i7 is not too bad. Right now we have what? i9. My other system is running in an AMD. So the other one is an all AMD. This is an Intel. So hey, let's get it. Tech for Rec. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you got something out of this. And if you didn't, maybe you will in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and comment, and tell me if you like videos like this. And if you're getting any value out of this or got just a little bit, don't forget to hit that notification bell because it helps out our channel. It helps us grow, and it motivates me to continue to make content like this for you guys. I'm not a big fan of thermal take or make whatever this brand is, but hey, this is the case that it came in. This is the case that I cleaned out, and it was an awesome experience. And I don't think it's too bad. I just like the slide up glass doors and the ones you could pull off. I like to have that option. I don't like to always leave it closed. And this is one of those that once you screw in the glass or put it there, it just stays. You can't slide it off and put it back every few minutes. And my other one, you can. So in the near future, probably within the next 20 days, I'm going to be changing the case. I don't have a problem with keep taking it apart and put it back. I actually like it. So also, sometime this week, I'm taking apart my actual build with all the Corsair stuff and all that, cleaning out the fans and everything. You never want your fans to get as filthy as these fans were, and you're gonna see it in the video. Thank you for tuning to Tech for Rec. Don't forget to follow our other channel with my stories, how I was in prison, in gangs most of my life, and I turned my life around and went from making podcasts and videos talking about my story to learning how to build computers, gaming, Twitch, podcast industry, and more. Not bad, right? For a guy that they always told that I was never gonna be shit. To the point where I almost started, I was believing them. But guess what? I don't believe them anymore.